What's lurking at the bottom of your pool? Dirt, debris, and wasted money for decades. Cleaning your pool meant backbreaking work and sky-high chemical bills. But what if a single machine could change all of that? We secretly tested every major robotic pool cleaner on the market, pushing them to their absolute limits. The results were shocking. Most failed. But these four didn't just clean. They revolutionized everything. The number one pick at the end will blow your mind. Starting at number 1. Dreame Z1 Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner. With up to 8,000 GPH of suction power and 5 cleaning modes, the Dreame Z1 Pro is one of the most powerful robotic pool cleaners we've tested. It left our test pool spotless and was easy to retrieve and wash after it finished cleaning. It also offers precise underwater control, a feature missing in most cordless pool cleaners. The Dreame Z1 Pro is designed for pools of all shapes up to 2,160 square feet in size, and it's our top recommendation in the category. It won't skim the surface of your pool, but it offers excellent cleaning performance, cordless operation, and underwater control for less money than most competing models. Number 2. Polaris Freedom Plus Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Freedom Plus is cordless, so all you have to do is juice it up on the convenient charging caddy, set a cleaning mode using your phone or the onboard controls, and drop it in the pool. After completing a cleaning cycle, the robot will be waiting for you at the side of the pool. It just doesn't get any easier than that. It lacks water temperature readings and dirty canister notifications, but it offers the convenience of underwater control. In our testing, the Freedom Plus did a fantastic job of cleaning the pool floor, walls, and waterline, sucking up all manner of debris, including acorns, leaves, and sand from the filtered. If you want an easy-to-use robot pool cleaner, this is one of our top picks in the category. It doesn't need to be tethered to a base by the pool and can work on its own, or you can steer it manually using a light-based remote. The Freedom Plus cleaner is designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long and up to 13 feet deep. Number 3. Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra is expensive, but it's also the most advanced robot pool cleaner we've tested. It features AI-powered pool mapping, advanced debris detection, and multiple motors and scrubbers that work to keep your entire pool clean from top to bottom. The AquaSense 2 Ultra does a stellar job of cleaning, and it couldn't be easier to use. When it completes a work cycle, it parks itself for easy removal, and you can clean the dual basket filter without getting your hands dirtied. If you're looking for the ultimate in hands-off pool maintenance, this is it. In addition to your pool's floor, walls, and waterline, it can skim the surface. As an added benefit, it dispenses clarifier to help clear up cloudy water. It doesn't come with an underwater remote like some competing models, but when it's floating on top of the water, you can control surface navigation using the Beatbot mobile app. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra is designed for in-ground and above-ground pools of up to 3,875 square feet in size with a depth of 1.3 to 9.8 feet. Number 4. Beatbot S2 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Beatbot S2 Pro is the first robot pool cleaner we've come across that offers in-water charging via a docking station that you install on the side of your pool. It's cordless and will return to the dock for a recharge when the battery level gets low. It offers 7 different cleaning modes for scrubbing your pool's walls, floor, and waterline. In testing, it did a fantastic job of removing large debris such as leaves and acorns, as well as sand and other fine particles. If you want a cordless robot pool cleaner you don't have to remember to manually charge, consider the Beatbot S2 Pro. It's meant for pools up to 3,230 square feet in size and 9.5 feet in depth. If your pool walls are not perfectly straight, or if you'd rather not attach the Beatbot S2 Pro's docking station to them, this may not be the best robotic pool cleaner for you. And there you have it! The definitive list of robotic pool cleaners that actually deliver on their promises. If this video saved you from buying a dud, smash that like button, it really helps us out. Which one are you getting? Let me know in the comments below. Want to check out any of these champions for yourself? Every single product link, from the budget-friendly Dolphin to the ultra-powerful Polaris, is waiting for you down in the video description. Share this video with a fellow pool owner who needs this info. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we're revealing a $500 gadget that can slash your pool's energy bill in half. You don't want to miss it.